Is your lawn truly ready for the intense heat of summer? Are you confident it can withstand the challenges ahead? Summer's officially here, bringing with it longer days and higher temperatures. And those long sunny days, while enjoyable, can quickly turn your beautiful green grass into a brittle brown landscape. The transition can be surprisingly rapid. Extended heat waves are increasingly becoming the new normal across many regions, and before you know it, your once lush lawn can quickly devolve into a dry, crunchy, and unsightly mess, seemingly almost overnight. The struggle to maintain a healthy lawn in the summer is real. It's about keeping your grass alive and vibrant without resorting to excessive water usage or spending countless hours manually watering with a hose. Yellow patches appearing and frail, thinning blades of grass are clear warning signs indicating that your lawn is under significant stress and struggling to survive. But remember, a healthy lawn isn't just about aesthetics and curb appeal. It's also about providing a cool, comfortable and safe space for your family, children and beloved pets to enjoy the outdoors. This year, let's shift our approach and get proactive about lawn care. Instead of simply reacting to the damage after it occurs, let's prepare our lawns in advance to withstand the harsh summer conditions. Forget about the outdated method of dragging heavy sprinklers around your yard and relying on guesswork to determine how much water your lawn actually needs. With the advancements in today's technology, we have the opportunity to work smarter, not harder, and implement efficient strategies to help our lawns not only survive, but truly thrive throughout the summer months. It's time to develop a comprehensive strategy, gain a deeper understanding of your lawn's specific needs, and leverage the right tools and technologies to achieve optimal results. Let's dive into the exciting world of smart technology and explore exactly how it can help you create a resilient, water-wise lawn that not only survives the summer heat, but flourishes, becoming the envy of the neighborhood. Summers are hotter, scorching even, with temperatures reaching record highs in many regions, and lawns are thirstier than ever, struggling to survive under the relentless sun. Climate change means more frequent and intense heat waves, pushing our landscapes to their limits. Prolonged droughts and increasingly unpredictable weather patterns, your grass feels it first, showing signs of stress and dehydration. Lawns that once thrived with weekly watering, easily maintaining their vibrant green color, now demand more, requiring constant attention and increased water usage, straining already limited water supplies and significantly impacting your wallet. Hotter days dry out soil fast, leaving it parched and unable to retain moisture, stressing roots and making grass vulnerable to pests and disease, weakening its overall health. Old watering habits, waste water, much of it evaporates or runs off, lost to the environment before it can benefit your lawn, before reaching the roots, leaving the grass thirsty and susceptible to damage. We can't afford to be casual with water anymore. Every drop counts and conservation is key. The challenge is to keep lawns green while being responsible stewards of the environment, minimizing our impact on precious resources. The good news? We have the tools and knowledge to adapt and create sustainable solutions. Embracing technology and smarter techniques is the way forward, paving the path for a greener future. Let's rethink lawn care for a hotter, drier world, creating resilient landscapes that thrive in the face of climate change. How do we fight back against hotter summers? With smart gardening, technology now meets horticulture, letting us manage lawns with precision and efficiency. Smart gardening uses connected devices and real-time data to automate watering and care. No more guesswork systems check weather, measure soil moisture, and tailor watering to your lawn's needs. Imagine your garden taking care of itself, with you in control from your smartphone. Smart sprinklers, soil sensors, and timers work together for convenience and conservation. Whether you're a pro or a beginner, smart gardening makes sustainable lawn care easy. It's the future of beautiful, eco-friendly yards without the stress. What truly lies at the heart of smart gardening and efficient lawn care? It's all about smart sprinkler controllers. These innovative devices are revolutionizing how we manage our outdoor spaces. These devices are designed to replace those old clunky timers, offering a significant upgrade in functionality and convenience. By connecting your sprinklers to the internet, you gain access to real-time weather updates and a whole host of smart features. If rain is on the way, these smart systems will automatically skip watering, no more unnecessary water waste. This leads to saving both water and money automatically, making it an environmentally conscious and cost-effective solution. Programmable timers offer a great entry point into the world of smart irrigation, providing a balance of control and automation. They allow you to easily set watering schedules, particularly for early mornings, which is ideal for optimal absorption. This helps to significantly reduce water loss due to evaporation during the hotter parts of the day. But the real magic truly begins with the advanced smart systems. These systems can customize watering schedules for each and every part of your yard, catering to the specific needs of different areas. This precise customization is based on factors like sun exposure, soil composition, and even the type of grass you have. Areas that are shaded naturally receive less water, preventing oversaturation, while areas exposed to more sun get the extra hydration they need to thrive. The result is no water waste, and absolutely no more guesswork involved in maintaining a healthy lawn. With smart sprinklers, you can potentially cut your outdoor water usage by up to a remarkable 50%. That's not only good for the planet by conserving precious resources, but it's also great for your wallet. Ultimately, you're investing in a smart system that essentially pays for itself over time through reduced costs. You'll see the benefits with lower utility bills and a visibly healthier, more vibrant lawn. Embracing smart irrigation is truly the upgrade your yard needs to achieve its full potential. Tech is great, but smart watering habits matter too. Water deeply, but less often. This encourages deep roots and drought resilience. Use the cycle and soak method water in short bursts with breaks, so soil absorbs every drop. Regularly check your sprinkler heads for clogs or leaks to avoid waste. Aim sprinklers at the lawn, not the sidewalk. Add mulch to garden beds to help soil retain moisture and reduce watering needs. Combine these habits with smart tech for a truly efficient, healthy yard. Smart lawn care saves you time, no more dragging hoses or checking forecasts. Automation handles watering, freeing you up for what you love. Robotic mowers now keep your grass neat, working quietly and returning to charge on their own. Together, smart sprinklers and mowers create a nearly self-sufficient lawn. Going on vacation? Monitor and adjust your system from anywhere with your phone. Enjoy peace of mind, your lawn stays green even when you're away. Smart tech works in the background, making intelligent decisions for you. Now you can focus on enjoying your yard, not maintaining it. Smart gardening isn't a luxury, it's essential for today's homeowners. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a newbie, smart systems make lawn care easier and more effective. As water becomes scarcer, adopting these tools is a responsible choice. The investment pays off with lower bills and a healthier, more resilient landscape. Start simple, try a programmable timer or a smart sprinkler controller. Every small change helps conserve water and protect your yard. Embrace this new era technology and nature working together. Take the first step today and future-proof your lawn. Your smart, green future starts now.